Look ma, no hands. This video is part 3 of Kelly learning how to use full self-driving, FSD. At this point, she has been using FSD for about 1 hour and she has gained some trust in the car. The car shows you what it plans to do using a blue line projected in front of the Tesla icon. The blue line represents the path the car plans to take in the immediate future. White chevrons on the blue line tell you if the car is accelerating or decelerating and how hard. The end of the blue line tells you if, and where, the car plans to stop. Full self-driving can drive your Tesla almost anywhere. Supervised self-driving makes your Tesla safer by using 8 cameras to view 360 degrees around the car simultaneously. The 8 cameras feed into a neural net, trained by millions of humans, driving over 1 billion miles, on many different types of roadways, including curves, intersections, turns, roundabouts, and highways.
In 500 feet, turn left onto West Stearns School Road. Now turn left onto West Stearns School Road.
Let her do her thing. Let her do her thing. There you go. It's a trust exercise. As she keeps doing the right thing, you'll trust her more and more. I mean, I remember the first few times I went driving with you, I was pretty much the same way. Something to keep in mind, she's got 8 cameras, so you can see all around herself at all times. So she sees more than you do. So she might do things that you don't think are right because of data that she has that you don't. On something like that, it's good for you to have. I would have my hands ready too, and I would have my foot over the brake. Absolutely. You gotta remember, I am very confident that full self-driving will not hurt you. I'm 100% confident of that. What I'm not confident about is that it won't scratch the paint. And I really like your paint. Mustang. There's 2 Mustangs today. Volume. Up or down, doesn't matter.
I still think that you need a little digital screen in the which like the Mazda.
Yeah, I think a HUD. I agree. I think it's a mistake not to put a HUD in these cars. I'm not sure what the negative is, if there is one.
Nick's still at Bow Wow.
Yeah, who?
Nick is still at Bow Wow.
Oh, well, it's only 1:30. He gets off at 2, right? She'll see the school zone slow down.
I know. I just.
Yeah, she does this all the time. It's pretty cool because I can actually see the pedal moving, the brake pedal.
I felt the brake go down.
You can feel it moving, but I've never actually seen it move. It's pretty cool. Now, in situations like that, what I usually do, why'd you disconnect?
Because I'm going to McDonald's.
Oh, what I usually do is I'll watch